In this video, you'll learn how to purchase any cryptocurrency using the MoonPay app. This guide will take you through the steps needed to successfully complete your transaction. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the MoonPay website. You can do this by typing in the URL or searching for MoonPay. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface displaying options to buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate the highlighted section on the homepage. This section usually includes prominent features and services offered by MoonPay. Click on it to proceed, which will direct you to a new screen where you can select the cryptocurrency to buy. After that, you will see a button labeled Buy. Click on this option to initiate the purchasing process. This action will take you to a page where you can select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Now click on Buy Crypto to continue. This will present you with a list of available cryptocurrencies. Look for the option labeled Buy BTC or any other cryptocurrency you are interested in purchasing. Once you've clicked on Buy BTC, the next step is to select the asset you want. You will see an option labeled Select Asset. Click on it to open a drop-down menu of different cryptocurrencies. Next, click on Popular Tokens to view a list of commonly traded cryptocurrencies. This section will help you quickly find the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Now click on Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you want to purchase. This action will lead you to a page where you can specify how much you want to buy. Type in the amount you wish to purchase in the designated field. It is important to ensure that you are aware of the current market price and your budget, as larger amounts may require more time to process depending on your internet speed and the total cost. After entering the amount, click on Continue with Bitcoin to move forward. This will take you to a confirmation screen where you can review your order before finalizing the purchase. Next, click on Confirm Order. This step is crucial as it verifies your intent to buy the specified cryptocurrency. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your order is being processed. Following the confirmation, click on Buy to initiate the payment process. This action will lead you to a payment options screen. Now click on Pay With to select your preferred payment method. A message will appear prompting you to choose how you would like to pay for your cryptocurrency. At this point, you can select Apple Pay if you prefer using that method. Alternatively, you can choose debit card or credit card based on your preference. Once you select your payment method, a message displaying the total to pay will appear. Ensure that you review this amount carefully before proceeding. Next, click on Deliver to specify where you want your purchased cryptocurrency to be delivered. This is typically linked to your wallet address or account. Finally, click on Pay to complete your transaction. This action will finalize the purchase and you should receive a confirmation of your order shortly after. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.